Hey guys, this is part 5 of the build series for the Nebula V2. Today we're going to be filling in the gaps in the foam stringers on the wing and then fiberglassing the wing afterwards. I'm using some plastic wood fill that I found at the local supermarket. If I could have found some foam filling or something that would be lighter, I think that would be a much better choice for this, but I just used what I had on hand. After the wood fill dried, I sanded down all the surfaces to make sure the wing was smooth and that the surface was good for applying fiberglass. Here I just took some spare foam pieces and filled in the gap between the top and the bottom of the wing where the aileron is, and that's to make sure that it has a nice surface. I also took some spare pieces of foam and filled in the top of where the flap cover is, just to make sure that it fit with the rest of the wing. I'm using the same 3-ounce fiberglass cloth that I got from US Composites to do the wings, the same cloth that I use for the fuselage and the rest of the pieces. It's just one layer on the top of the wing, one layer on the bottom of the wing, and then one layer on the leading edge that connects the both top and bottom layer. I used a layer of peel ply and a layer of wax paper on top of the fiberglass to make sure that it had a good cured surface when it was all finished and cured. I also put some weight on top of the wing while the fiberglass was curing, that way the fiberglass would end up being smooth without any air bubbles, or at least that was the idea. I attached the top half of the motor mount after the top half of the wing was fiberglass, and that was so that it had a strong surface to mate to, and that helped give some rigidity to the rest of the motor mount. To fiberglass the leading edge of the wing halves, I had to make some custom jigs to hold the wings facing upwards. This helped a lot for getting a smooth surface and being able to lay down the fiberglass properly. the next part I'll be doing the control surfaces, the battery harness, and some initial testing of the plane before I go out for maiden. Thanks for watching everyone.